んにちは。 ANA 広報部の佐藤です。この動画では ANA が就航する海外都市の今をお届けします。今回は人口が世界第2位と言われる都市です。さて、どこでしょ
う。皆さん、こんにちは。ナマステ。ANA デリ支店のアルカです。
ANA デリ空港省のチャルチンです。
今回はインドの首都デリのコロナ感染状況などに関して現地からレポートいたします。それではどうぞ。
This is the old city, Chandni Chowk, the most lively place in Delhi territory. In India, the number of corona cases started jumping up from March 2020. But as per the recent report, the active cases has went down and the per day corona infection cases has been reduced to 4% as compared to May 2021. The number of corona cases varies in each state, but in Delhi, the number of newly infected cases has not exceeded 100 since July. As you can see, Chandni Chowk has returned to its original charm as it was before COVID-19 pandemic, and many people are returning back to their normal lifestyles. This is Connaught Place, the most vibrant commercial destination in Delhi. The headquarters of many big organizations are located here. In addition, it is encompassing all the high-brand shopping complexes to local market. It is an admired spot for both foreigners and Indians. Along with this, it is a transportation hub as it is a central station of Delhi Metro and play a crucial role in public transportation services. It is said that the reason behind the decrease in the number of corona infection cases in India is its young population, the acquisition of herd immunity, and the advancement of vaccination. Regarding vaccination, the target population has been gradually expanded since the start of vaccination for medical professionals in January 2021. In addition, the advanced mechanism has been built for the promotion of vaccination, by which it is possible to make vaccination reservations through an app called Arogya Setu, launched by Indian government. And after vaccination, a paperless vaccination certificate will be issued immediately. We are witnessing that the situation like pre-corona time is returning back in coexistence with the corona. Amiens Mall is one of the largest shopping malls in India. Footfall has been increasing and families can be seen now enjoying shopping in malls on weekends. In April and May 2021, expatriates and their families working for Japanese companies who were temporarily left to Japan in pandemic now are returning back to India with the resumption of economy and the decrease in morbidity. Amiens Mall, a popular place among Japanese migrants, can be seen buying essentials and souvenirs here with the normalcy of COVID pandemic.
街中に人が戻る中、インド観光に関してインド政府から大きな発表がされました。11月15日以降のフライトでインドに到着する外国人に対して観光ビザの発行が1年間7ヶ月ぶりに再開されました。一方で日本に戻った後は帰国後の行動制限が引き続き残っていますが、改善傾向にあり観光ビザの発行が再開により海外からインドへ観光運行が見込められます。それではごく一部ですが観光地のご紹介いたします。
We will now take you to the main tourist attractions of Delhi. What about visiting the famous World Heritage Sites in the enduring city Delhi, comprising a long history? Humayun's tomb, whose architectural design has been inspired from the Taj Mahal. Lal Killa, which is the culmination of Mughal Empire. The Islamic archaeological site of India, Qutub Minar, which is renowned for its Tower of Victory, is a recommended spot. At the entry of all these archaeological sites, COVID protocols such as sanitizers installation, wearing masks are being followed so that you can visit with a peace of mind. Next, if you travel to Delhi, we suggest you a wide area tour to explore the Golden Triangle, which includes the three cities, Delhi, Agra and Jaipur. In Agra, you can visit the fascinating white mausoleum, Taj Mahal, which is renowned globally. In Jaipur, you can experience the historical town where the entire city is dyed pink. All of these three destinations are connected and can be reached by land. So how about visiting this vast beautiful land, India?
以上、デリから今の状況を伝えました。ぜひ、デリに訪問して伝えることを楽しみにしています。ご視聴ありがとうございました。それでは。
ANA, Inspiration of Japan.